Hello Luca, great to see you today. Welcome in my kitchen. Give me 5.
Hello, Chef. Hello, my name is Crinkle.
Hello everyone, I am Chef Laurent, the executive pastry chef of the Sukhothai Hotel, and today I have the pleasure of welcoming mini chef Lucas, and together we're gonna do some great chocolate crinkle cookies. Enjoy the show. So we start. We need some butter and some sugar. So you take the sugar here and you put it in this bowl. Alright, just put it in. Don't worry. Yeah, excellent. You take the spoon and you put the butter in there. Alright, scrape well. Exactly. If you want to do this at home, it's very simple. We're gonna use the spoon to start. So you take the spoon and you start mixing like that. You can go fast, no worries. Can you use a whisk? Okay. Alright, keep going. Keep going. These are egg whites. You see, I come down here. A bit faster. Let's see. Alright, you want to whip until it's getting a little bit whiter. You see, it's getting a little bit fluffy. Right? You get that. Keep it running, and then we're gonna put in the chocolate. Do you like chocolate? A lot or a little? A lot of chocolate or a little bit? Okay. Okay. Now we have to mix. You see, the chocolate is melted at about 35-40 degrees. Doesn't have to be too hot, but it has to be liquid. Right? And we mix it. Now, for our cookies to go up, we need to have something inside that we call baking powder and baking soda. So usually we have the flour here. It's regular all-purpose flour. We put the baking powder in. Okay, you want to put the baking soda for me? Yeah, put it in here. Hold it. Okay, and then we have to strain. You hold that in one hand, whichever hand is convenient, and you hit with the other hand, okay? You can shake your hand a little bit. Some water. So we put half of the flour in. Alright. I put first, and you do the second batch, okay? Good. I'll do this one, and you'll do the rest. Okay. And then you will put, let me mix first. We have to mix that a little bit. Okay, very good. And then you put all the flour that's left. All of them. The best, you take the paper and you go in here. Come. Yeah, that's pretty good. Good, 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 good. You can take the paper, you can clean your hands. Do you like salt? Yeah? Me too. Put some salt in there. That's Maldon salt. It's a nice flake salt. Alright, so now it's a little bit hard. Maybe you want to try both hands because it's quite hard to mix. Let me see how strong you are. You should be alright. Yeah, you see, very good. We have one thing left to put inside is the chocolate chips. You can use any chocolate you like. We'll use dark chocolate for this one because it's less sweet. You want to eat one piece first? Taste. Tell me if it's good. It's too dark? So you mix slowly, scrape the bottom. Yeah. So we will put it in the fridge for about an hour and then we'll make the shape. Now you see, Lucas? It's gone a little bit firmer now. The paper we used before and the tray, we'll use it again, so we don't need to throw anything. So you take one piece and you roll it with your hands like this. Okay? Do like it. Put your hands like that, flat. Flat. And then you turn. One hand stay flat. Yeah. One like this, open, and the other one on top turns. Yeah, you see, excellent. Exactly like you do with Play-Doh, with snowball. Yeah, you see, perfect. sticky, right? What do we do now? You want to lick your finger? No, because it's raw flowers. So Lucas, now we have to roll them in the icing sugar. Okay? So that's really easy. Take 4 pieces inside, 4 or 5 pieces. Put them in. Yeah, just put them in. So you see, because they will get very big, we need to put them apart. Okay? Social distancing, it's cookie distancing here. Yeah, you can put everything in. I prefer the way when you throw them in like that. That was quite cool. People have to stay away from each other, like you have to stay away from your friend at school. The cookies, they have to stay away from each other because they will expand. We put them like this, so they can expand all of them. Alright? Okay, you see here? Here one. No, this one is already on place. Okay, you press them a little bit. Just a little bit. Not much, huh? Just a little bit. A bit more. Hands nice and flat. Like this. We just turn the tray like this. Yeah. We put a little bit extra icing on top now. I will show you. Now, do you think you want to eat them today or you want to eat them tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? So I don't bake them? You go home and I don't bake them? No, we're going to bake them, right? We have to go to the oven. There. Alright, lift your arms, lift your arms, lift. Yeah! There we go. I put them in the oven, you see? It's about 170 degrees. You press start. Press start for me. Yes! Excellent. What does it say here? Keep smiling. And the hat you can keep as a souvenir from your visit today. Take it home with a cookie. Okay? Cookie, you want to take them home in your pocket? Like if you're sneaking out, or should we put them in a box?
Put it in a box.
Good idea. You want to do that by yourself or you want me to do that? Okay, I do. Cookies in a box.
Yummy. Yes.
Can I try a piece?
Tiny piece.
Thank you.
I put you more in the box. You start
Oh,
cooking them.
very yummy. Well
Yeah,
done.
very